the derivative with respect to x of this function, that's called a coefficient. And what we're going to do is we're going to rewrite this. The derivative with respect to x, the constant, the coefficient can go all the way out front, and then we're just taking the derivative of x to the fourth. Okay, now the derivative of x to the fourth is 4x cubed, and then times that by 3, and you get 12x cubed. Okay, there's a reason why I want you to think about it that way for later on, but most people just go like this. They bring the 4 in front, and there's already a 3 there. 4 times 3 is 12. Subtract 1. Okay? Now this one here, the derivative with respect to x, I'm going to take a negative 1 all the way out front, and then I just have x here. Now the derivative of x, that's x to the 1. 1 comes in front, and x to the 0 is also 1. And then 1 times negative 1 is negative 1.